Amazon gift ideas. This magnetic wristband makes it really easy to keep things like tools and screws nearby when you're working on a project. You attach it to your arm while you're working and you never have to worry about losing anything ever again. This screen cleaner is great for dirty electronics. Spray the cleaner on the screen and use the other side of the foam bottle to wipe everything away. This next gadget is great for anybody with a car or bike because you can use it to measure tire pressure. This silicone shower organizer attaches right to the wall and you can use it to organize all of your shower things. Lastly, these dude wipes are a great stocking stuffer.
Things on the internet that I ended up buying, part 6. The first time I ever bought one of these was about 2 years ago, but I just bought a new one, so I thought I'd show you guys because it's surprising how many people don't know this exists. So this is a notebook. It comes with a rag and a special pen, and it is a very high-tech notebook. So it has different symbols that you can put its own label to, and on each page you'll see these symbols at the very bottom. For example, if I was in school, I could put math, science, history, English, etc. And then on the page I can put notes. Obviously this is math, so I'm going to put an X over the symbol because it goes with the math symbol. There's an app on your phone where you could set a destination for each symbol. For example, you could send your math notes to your Google Docs or your email or whatever. On that same app, you can scan this entire page and it will notice you put an X over that symbol and automatically send it to the location of your choice. Once you've scanned the page, all you have to do is get the rag wet and it will just wipe away because you have that special pen. And then you can reuse it while still being able to save all of your notes electronically.
Amazon Favorites Part 41. These are my heated insoles. Put them into your slippers, shoes, or boots and use the remote control to set your temperature. Voila, the perfect gift for anyone with cold feet. Don't forget to charge them, link in bio.
Random gadgets you need. First up is this automatic hand sanitizer dispenser. We keep it by our front door so we can sanitize before touching anything in our house. You refill it in the back, and you can see how much you have left on the front. This laptop pad is great if you work from home. It has a mouse tray that pulls out, it's designed to prevent your computer from overheating, and it's anti-slip so your computer stays in place.
I keep seeing clips like that where people refill their laundry stations, and mine is so ugly, so let's transform it a little bit. First thing I bought was these glass jars. I actually got these off of Amazon. The link is in my bio. Now that's a perfect fit if you ask me. And I also got this off of Amazon as well. It makes it really easy and convenient to scoop your beads into your laundry. My station just a little bit more tidied up. If you guys have any more recommendations, let me know.
Did you ever have the grabber toy when you were a kid? Well, this is the adult version that's extremely useful. This bendable grabber has strong claws that can grip onto objects, a flashlight, and a magnet for easier pickup. We used this gadget when my husband dropped his ring down the drain and we were able to retrieve it using this. Link in bio.
Stocking stuffers under $10. This adorable hand sanitizer holder. This crystal nail file. Bath bombs and fun designs. This mini UV nail lamp. You just press down with your finger and it turns on. This cute bar of soap. Hand cream in the prettiest box. This razor. Sherpa scrunchies, this back scrubber and massager for the shower, and a foundation brush.
Amazon Favorites Part 40. Here's a stocking stuffer idea for anyone who loves little gadgets. You can set 3 alarms on this cube clock and adjust the 3 brightness levels. It's battery operated or you can plug it in. Link in bio under cube clock.